Hello everyone, welcome to Basics and Beyond. In this video lecture, we are going to cover about biosphere reserves, national parks, tiger reserves for the state of Sikkim, West Bengal, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Meghalaya. As per our convention, we will start first with the biosphere reserves. As you can see in this picture, the map contains 6 biosphere reserves and we will learn them in a systematic order from west to east and from north to south. While covering the biosphere reserve from west to east or from north to south, the Kanchenjunga Biosphere Reserve and Manas Biosphere Reserve will be common. So let us start from west to east first. From west to east, you will get Kanchenjunga Biosphere Reserve. It is in the state of Sikkim. Further east, you will find Manas Biosphere Reserve and Dibru Saikhowa Biosphere Reserve in the state of Assam. And the easternmost biosphere reserve will be Dihang Dibang Biosphere Reserve. You need to know that Kanchenjunga Biosphere Reserve is in Sikkim and it is also a national park. Moreover, Manas Biosphere Reserve present in Assam is also a national park as well as a tiger reserve. Dibru Saikhowa Biosphere Reserve is also a national park. Now, while moving from north to south, we will see Kanchenjunga Biosphere Reserve, Manas Biosphere Reserve, Nokrek Biosphere Reserve. Nokrek Biosphere Reserve is in Assam and Sundarban Biosphere Reserve in West Bengal. Sundarban Biosphere Reserve is a national park as well as a tiger reserve. So these are the 6 biosphere reserves: Kanchenjunga in Sikkim, Nokrek in Meghalaya, Sundarban in West Bengal, Manas and Dibru Saikhowa in Assam, Dihang Dibang in Arunachal Pradesh. Now take a look at the tiger reserves in these states. First of all, let us see which states do not possess any of the tiger reserve. And it is very much evident from the map that the state of Sikkim, Meghalaya, Tripura, Manipur and Nagaland do not contain any of the tiger reserve. Now let us take a look at the tiger reserves in West Bengal from north to south. As you can see from the map, in the north you will find Buxa Tiger Reserve and in the south you will find Sundarban Tiger Reserve. Now talking about tiger reserves in Mizoram. In Mizoram, you have only one tiger reserve, that is Dampa Tiger Reserve. Now, let us take a look of the tiger reserves in Assam from west to east. In the west, we have Manas. Further east, we have Orang Tiger Reserve, then Nameri Tiger Reserve, and finally Kaziranga Tiger Reserve. You need to know all these tiger reserves are also national park. Manas Tiger Reserve, Orang Tiger Reserve, Nameri Tiger Reserve and Kaziranga Tiger Reserve. Now finally talking about tiger reserves in Arunachal Pradesh. And again moving from west to east. In the west you will find Pakki Tiger Reserve, further east you will find Kamlang Tiger Reserve and finally in the easternmost place you will find Namdapha Tiger Reserve. And you need to know that Namdapha Tiger Reserve is also a national park. Now it's time to cover national parks of all these states. So we will start first with the Sikkim. As you can see, Sikkim only has a national park, that is Kanchenjunga National Park, which is also a biosphere reserve. Talking about national parks in the state of West Bengal, we will learn them from west to east and then we will study the Sundarban National Park in the south. In the west you will find Singalila National Park. Further east you will find Neoda Valley National Park and then Gorumara National Park, and in the east you will find Jaldpara National Park. So Singalila, Neoda Valley, Gorumara and Jaldpara National Park. In the south you have Sundarban National Park. For the state of Meghalaya, we have Nokrek National Park in the west and Balpakram National Park in the east. For the state of Tripura, there are 2 national parks from north to south. In the north you have Clouded Leopard National Park and in the south you have Rajbari National Park. Again, in the state of Mizoram, we have two national parks. In the north, Murlen National Park, and in the south, Phong Phui National Park. Again, you will find there are two national parks in the state of Manipur. Shiroi in the north, and in the south, Kebul Lamjao National Park. In this way, we have covered the National Park of Sikkim, West Bengal, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram and Manipur. Now it's time to cover National Park of Nagaland. We have only one national park in Nagaland, and that is very close to Assam and Manipur. This is Itanki National Park. Now we will cover the national parks for the state of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. Let us start with the national parks of Arunachal Pradesh first. There are two national parks in Arunachal Pradesh. In the north you will find Mauling National Park, and in the south you will find Namdapha National Park. This order can also apply from west to east. Mauling in the west and Namdapha in the east. And finally, we are going to cover national parks in Assam. We have Manas National Park in the west, further east Orang, then Nameri, then Kaziranga, and finally Dibru-Sakhova National Parks. So these are the list of Biosphere Reserve, Tiger Reserves and National Parks in the northern eastern region and in the state of West Bengal. I hope this video was useful to everyone and must have added value to their knowledge. For more such videos, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. Thank you.